Well, I'm sat here by a lake, and you can probably hear in the background there's a bunch of kids down by the lake. One of them went in and realised how cold it was, and then there's some of them on little boats. Some people got a couple of tennis rackets out. My great big family are off playing rounders behind me, so you might hear them too. So I suppose there's a little bit ASMR this, isn't it? And I am just here watching this cloud, and you're watching it with me. I thought, can you just film a cloud? I thought, why not? And why am I here filming a cloud when I should probably be playing rounders with the family? Because, well, first of all, we're staying away for the weekend, and so our bed is very squeaky. I've got to find an Allen key to tighten it up. It's just about to collapse. So as soon as you move it, all sort of sways about, making you feel a bit giddy. And then about 2 in the morning, I think somebody must have gone to the loo and pulled the chain, and the water pipes went really weird. And it sounded like there was an alarm going off in our bedroom, so we all kind of jumped up. Oh, what's happening? And then kind of worked out what it was. Just about managed to get back to sleep. And then great Uncle Roger is in the room down below. So they had a bit of a chat about what was going on in very loud voices, because he didn't have his hearing aid in. And so that was quite loud, so that woke me up again. And then, yes, then the snoring started. That was great Uncle Roger too, very loud snoring. In fact, it just felt like the floorboards were reverberating, so that woke me up. I just kind of got back to sleep again, and then this blasted cockerel outside started crowing. And I remember when we had chickens, Mrs. Rayner said we could have chickens on one condition, that we didn't have to have a cockerel waking everybody up in the morning. So, yeah. So I am here watching these clouds, trying to catch up on the sleep that I didn't get last night, while everyone else was playing rounders. And very soon we'll have our picnic lunch. And that is about all I have to say.